Hey, this is Tobin at Virtual Storefronts, and we have yet another live feed. Today we have Haysville, North Carolina, which is in Clay County, right next to Cherokee County. We actually have 3 businesses in Haysville that are going to be on the live feed today when we open it. We got ACC Mechanical, which was referred to us from John Fleischer for local search results that are working now. I just did a search for AC repair in Haysville, North Carolina, and the Virtual Storefront comes up. And then we also have Hinton Center, which is the United Methodist Church's retreat in Haysville. That's a really cool place. They have their own virtual storefront as well and their own feed. And thirdly, we have Pause for a Warrior, which is an awesome nonprofit that trains dogs and pets for vets. Training pets for vets. So check out all those really cool storefronts if you get a chance. But the easy way to do it is to just click from the link on the live feed that we are about to launch for Haysville. So without further ado, I'm going to show you my shopper account. So this is my shopper account in Virtual Storefronts, and you can see all the way down here. These are all of the live feeds right here that I'm currently following. And now I'm going to hit the plus button. And you see here that we have the new Haysville live feed. There's no thumbs up, so I'm not following that one. And I'm going to go over to there and follow that. This is the live feed. And you can see we have all these cool posts that are automatically posting, hands-free. These are automated posts that Ray has created, our hands-free posting, so that our clients don't have to do it. I'm going to open up the radius to 10 miles because I believe that'll help us include the ACC Mechanical. So we're going to go ahead and follow the 10-mile radius of feed in Haysville. And the way to follow it is to go over here and hit the thumbs up. Boom. Now when I go back to my home, my shopper account, you'll see here, I'm now following the Haysville live feed in addition to Blairsville, in addition to Andrews, and my own custom feed of every business that I'm following on Virtual Storefronts. And that shopper account is free at virtualstorefronts.com. Just click in the bottom right. And then also, if you want to be on a live feed and you're a local business, it's $199 per year, includes setup, everything. And you will have 3 automated posts that go up every week on your virtual storefront, handcrafted by Ray or another merchant ambassador. And it takes 7 days, 5 minutes to order. All you got to do is go to .co, virtualstorefronts.co. If you can follow the QR code on your screen, just go to that QR code. It takes 5 minutes to order. Everything you need to know is right there at virtualstorefronts.co. Everything you saw today is at .com. That's where the actual app is. So we'll see you on Virtual Storefronts, where we're making local shopping, we're reinventing local shopping to actually be just local.